Let's pull a prank. We got some worms for sale by Red Rhino. Worms for sale. But we're missing one thing. Well, we were missing one thing. Let's go. Wow, forgot there was glass there. I just need one more thing. Ow, friggin' one times. One, bro. I don't even know if Freddy's home. Freddy the deep. I think he's home. Now, we just need to grab the whole entire fire pit. Sauce. There's Fred's front door. That shiny stuff is Fred's front door. See, here's his sidewalk. There's the door. So, the door is literally 10 feet right that way. Are you ready to prank? Alright, so there's the door. That shiny. Here's the sidewalk. We need to get all this flammable stuff away, because this prank is going to be hot. Real hot. So, all we need to do is this. Put the cover. Alright, let's go. Let's light ourselves a campfire. What we need now is the lighter. See, look. Here's the front door. Proof. Here's the D. We need to light that better. That's hot. Really hot. Alright, it's going. Now, pranking is good and all, but just in case something goes wrong, the water hose will be right here ready to go. Just make sure we don't get the lighter wet, because that's very important and essential for a successful prank. Bruh. Come on, fire. Give me the best you got. Now. To ensure a successful prank, you need to make sure that the prankster knows how to do a prank properly. I'm a certified prankster. That's hot. Does fire. You know what? This prank needs a little bit better. Okay, this is getting ridiculous. Get rid of that. Now it'll burn. keyword. Burn. Let's get some pranking done now. Sorry I made you guys wait so long for a video. Alright. Oh, dude. There's the front door. Let's stand back and enjoy our fire. Oh, this is great. Oh, man. Freddy is gonna love this. Sis. Look at that fire. Oh, man. Again, a proper prank needs to be done properly. Which means what you do is smother an entire newspaper over the fire. Just lay it down without any protective materials. Just like that. Oh, man. Oh, is it going to go out or not? Oh, it went out. Well, that's okay. We'll relight it. Yes! 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 Now we're cooking with butter. Oh! I hope that goes out. All we need now is some pine needles. This was a successful prank. Thanks for watching my prank. Make sure to prank when you want to prank. And that's almost out, and I'll douse it with water. Bye.